Welcome to Decoding for Kids. In this video, we are going to play a new game, pickcode Ad Libs Chatbot. At first, open a new Chrome browser and type hover of code. Here, click the first link. Then change the languages to English. You can change to whatever language you want. Click Explore Activities. In the search box, type Chatbot. Yeah, pickcode Ad Libs Chatbot. This is the game we are going to play. Click the Start button. Yeah, this is the pickcode platform where we are going to code this game. So before going into the game, let's see what is Chatbot and AdLibs. Here, Chatbot is nothing but an AI program which is designed to make conversation with humans. So in simple, we can say it is like communicating with the person in real. So and it is also a great way to teach kids what is coding and its logic. Next, let's see what is AdLibs. AdLibs is nothing but to say something with less preparation. For example, if you give a few keywords related to any topic, it will give the full details related to that topic. So in this game, we are going to create the AdLibs chatbot, which will make the conversation with few inputs from us. So this is the first line of coding. Here they have given the variable and the animal name is variable name. Chat is nothing but the class and ask is the method, one of the method, and inside the double quotes we are going to give the argument. So let's see the instructions. In this lesson we are going to make a chatbot which asks for the few words and then tells the user a story using the words. Now the chatbot should ask the user for an animal name. So instead of animal, I am giving it as event name. Yeah, now if you are ready to write some code, press the next button. So now you can write the second line of coding and they have given the variable name as verb. So in the same way I'm giving it as verb. And call for the class and ask inside the double quotes, write please enter a verb. Yeah. Now your code will look like this and when you're ready, move to the next step by clicking the next button. Now you can test the chatbot by pressing the play button. So it's asking for a event name and I'm giving it as hour of code. And automatically it will ask the next question. Please enter a verb. Now I am entering the verb as learn. Yeah, for the two lines of coding, it has asked for the question. Now they have given the third line of coding and they have asked to give the variable name as noun. And you're going to enter as please enter a noun. Now again you're going to test your code using the play button. So what is the name of the event? I'm typing it as hour of code. So it is asking for a verb. And the next question is enter a noun. So I'm entering it as student. Yeah, that's it. Now you can go to the next section by pressing the next button. Now here the instructions given is let's make the chatbot build up some suspense for the user before they tell them the full story. So the fourth line of coding will be you're going to use the call function chat and send. And the argument you're going to give is preparing your story. Yeah, your code should look like this. Using the same process, make the chatbot send three more messages saying, tell you in 3, 2, 1. Now for this, we are going to write the code. Chat.send, and inside that you're going to write telling you in 3. Yeah, the next line of coding. 2. Same way, you're going to write 1. Yeah, the next step is test your code using the play button. If the chatbot sends all the messages, move on to the next section by pressing the next button. So now I'm clicking the play button. It's asking what is the event name. I'm giving it as hour of code. Now verb. Next noun. Yeah. Preparing your story, telling you in 3, 2, and 1. Now you can go to the next section. Now it's time to have the chatbot use the user's response to tell the story. So you're going to write the next line of coding. In the same way, you're going to use the call function chat send, and inside that you're going to write there was an event named. And giving the plus sign and event name and for kids. So now I'm creating my own story since I have given and the event name. I'm not using this animal process. So now your code should look like this. Test the code by pressing the play button. So again, it is asking for the event name. Please enter a verb. Noun, student. Yeah, there was an event named Hour of Code for Kids. This is the first line of coding. Now you can go to the next section. Now fill in the next two lines of the story with this code. So I'm going to use my own story to fill the next two lines. So in the same way, call function, chat and send, and inside that using the hover of code everyone can, and press the plus sign, and you're going to call the verb, and inside the double quotes you're going to give the argument as coding. Now the next line of coding, same way, call function, chat, send, noun, use the plus sign, participate to learn new coding skills. Yeah, that's it. Test the code by pressing the play button. Try using a different combination. So I'm clicking the play button. It's asking for the event name. I'm giving it as hour of code, verb, learn, noun, student. Preparing your story, telling you in 3, 2, 1, and the three lines of coding. There was an event named Hour of Code for Kids. Using Hour of Code, everyone can learn coding. Student participate to learn new coding skills. If the words in your sentences don't have spaces between them, yeah, you have to see this whether you have given the spaces. Once things are fully working, move on by pressing the next button. Yeah, that's it. Now you can make your own story using what you know and the variables. Once you're done customizing your story, you can press the next button to finish up the lesson. See you all in another video. Thanks for watching.